In this video, I'm going to tell you the secret on how to sound natural when speaking English. Let's go! Hey guys, Coach Rich here, and welcome to Richmond Language Academy, where we discuss and learn languages, culture, and personal development. The English language, whether if it's American, British, or others, is a stress time language, meaning some syllables may sound longer, louder, or have a higher pitch. Banana, banana. But how do we apply stress timing to sentences or group of words? I got you covered. I'd like you to remember two things: content and function words. Content words are the important words that carry the meaning in sentences. Examples of content words are nouns, main verbs, adjectives, adverbs, question words, and negatives. Function words, on the other hand, are grammar or helping words that make sentences accurate but don't carry a lot of meaning. Examples of function words are auxiliary verbs, pronouns, prepositions, conjunctions, modal verbs, and determiners. As a basic rule, all content words are stressed. Let's use this sentence as an example. The baby has been crying in her crib all night. The baby has been crying in her crib all night. Notice that I put the stress on baby, crying, crib, and all night. These are content words because they carry the meaning in this sentence and tell us who made the action, what action, where did it happen, and when. So, even if I talk like this, baby, crying, crib, all night, you can still understand it even though it's grammatically incorrect. Now, let's look at the same sentence and focus only on the function words. The has been in her all. Do these words make sense to you? I don't think so. Therefore, when you're speaking, stress the content words and glide through the function words. But take note, when I say stress, I mean clear enough and not shouting the words out loud like the baby has been crying in her crib all night. That's not putting stress, that's angry. Come to think of it, if you want to sound more natural, make sure that the function words are very quiet and quick, and the content words are pronounced normally. Let's look at another sentence here. You should call the doctor because my leg is broken.
You should call the doctor because my leg is broken.
Which ones do you think are the content words? Yes, call, doctor, leg, broken. You should call the doctor because my leg is broken. How about this one? Send me an email tomorrow because I need the information.
Send me an email tomorrow because I need the information.
That's right. Send, email, tomorrow, need, information. So, just by paying attention to the content words, you can understand the meaning. Finally, I want to do a little experiment. This time, I'm only going to use the content words and add function words little by little and see what happens. So, the original sentence is, dogs eat bones. We can make it a little longer by adding articles. The dogs eat the bones. We can make it even longer by adding an auxiliary verb. The dogs are eating the bones. I can change the verb tense and make it longer. The dogs have been eating the bones. So what happened here is we started with the content words dogs eat bones. 3 syllables, all stressed. And here's the experiment. What if I tell you that no matter how many function words I added, the length of time to say each sentence is exactly the same. Here, I'm going to prove it by snapping my fingers to create a rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Dogs eat bones. Dogs eat bones. The dogs eat the bones. The dogs eat the bones. The dogs are eating the bones. The dogs are eating the bones. The dogs have been eating the bones. The dogs have been eating the bones. See? It didn't change because I didn't add any more content words in the sentence. Hence, English is a stress time language because the length of time would depend on the number of stressed syllables, not the total number of syllables. Strange, isn't it? And that's how to sound natural in English 101. Next up, I'm going to reveal more secrets in part 2. If you find this video helpful, thumbs up, comment, subscribe, so I can continue making these types of videos for you. Thank you, and see you next time.